I am going to do a quick tutorial on how I get a cute little beach wave in my hair using the Bioionic 1.25 inch and a couple of blue products. So I'm gonna prep my hair today by using the Hypersonic Heat Styling Mist. I'm gonna take it, do a little spray. Definitely get these ends. I love this heat styling spray because it does have the UV protectant in it, as well as a heat protectant. And in Florida, we need all the UV protection for our color. And it gives it like a nice little shine too. Okay, so you want to look at your facial features, and one of the things that I like to do is I like to emphasize and try to make my cheekbones higher, right? As we get older, we want to do lift. So what's popular right now is kind of coming forward and then back away from your face. So I'm going to grab a section here. I'm going to pull it in front of my nose and I'm gonna roll back this way. Now I always leave my ends out. I do need a haircut, so, you know, please don't judge. And I'm going to roll and pull out like this and not touch. These first couple of sections, as far as thickness goes, doesn't really matter. I think if you, what makes it more of a beach wave is to grab different size sections, but I am going away from my face and kind of pulling forward a little bit. And then once again, roll out. That's what I love about this Bioionic, is that it really allows you to slide the hair in the curling iron. Now this particular piece, I'm gonna take and go forward. I'm gonna roll it towards my face. And then roll out. And I have this heat setting on 3, oh no, this is 280. And I'm getting a pretty curl. So you don't have to have it like super hot. Now this one, because we went towards, I'm going to go away. See, I'm just kind of like pulling and sliding. I kind of lift, tap your clip here a little bit if you're having resistance there on the ends. But this is such a beautiful iron. I do have it on my Amazon storefront. If you purchase it from Amazon, it will give me commission. And to be honest, most of the time it's cheaper on Amazon than it is on our Salon Centric or Cosmic Prof. I don't know why we don't get deals like we used to, but no more are the days, unless it's a crazy special that they have, that we get 50% off of tools. Isn't that nuts? So kind of just pulling it off to the side. Really the key here is to leave your ends out and then just pull down. All I'm doing is sliding the spiral down and then sliding those ends through there to get some smoothness. And if you really want more of a curl, I'll show you another trick that you can do. As you're pulling down, you keep twisting. But I like to just have a little bit of a bend. I don't care to have too much of a curl. I really want my hair to be kind of straight, but just kind of have like that movement to it, not necessarily be curly. But okay, so see how I pulled down? If you wanted, you could twist that all the way back up and it's gonna create a tighter curl. Hold it there and then pull through. And see the difference in that? It's definitely tighter, and then as it cools off, it's gonna be more of a curl than just kind of like a straight bend. Now I'm going towards my face. So you can see you just kind of alternate back away, towards, back away, towards. The biggest thing is just right here. You know, you wanna pull forward and you wanna roll back exactly where your cheekbone is gonna be. And that really helps by you pulling it across your face like that and then curling it back that way. Now I am left-handed, So I always do the left side. Oh, hello. I always do the left side first. But now I'm gonna come over. I'm still gonna use my left hand, but I'm gonna go over my head. And I'm gonna take my hair, once again, over direct. Smooth this out. See if I can show y'all without doing it in the... Not looking in the mirror, so you can see. Now leave that. Once again, kind of pulling forward a little bit. And I'm not giving it that turn until I see that it's right here. You don't want to do it up here. If you can do it up here, but it's not going to give you the coming forward and going back away from your face, which I like with the beach waves. This is just a soft wave tutorial. It's not a curl. It's not volume. So hard for me to do it on this side and not look in the mirror. I'm gonna go towards my face now. And then back up here. I'm gonna go back away. So do you see where I start twisting? It's further down because I'm not getting volume up here. I'm just getting a little bend to the hair on the actual hair shaft. So this is gonna be your hair shaft, and then you've got your root. You've got your mids and your ends. So I'm only curling mids and ends. And to be honest, really I'm just curling mids because I don't want my ends to be in that curling iron for too long. Pull and pull. Since I did this on the other side, I'm gonna make a tighter curl right there. Now, the secret is with your back, you're gonna kind of lean on both sides and see places that need to be curled and just grab and do different directions like this. And y'all, I am curling my hair on 280, okay? You don't have to broil your hair with 400-degree heat. Okay. So once again, it's just like me doing that hot roller tip. I'm pulling it out to the side so that I can see. But rolling up those mids and ends and pull. Going towards my face now. And pull. Okay, I'm gonna grab this and just check the back. I really like that. I like that a lot. Okay, so now, as you can see, I have not touched these curls. I am gonna go through now and use the blue dry shampoo. You can also use the ultra dry texture spray, but I do the texture spray, it will give you more volume, and I honestly just want a little bit of pieciness, so I'm using the dry shampoo. And just, you're gonna take your aerosol, oh, I see a piece of hair down here in the bottom that I missed. Most of the time, Bo will be like, Mom, you have one piece of straight hair. He's always got my back. But when you throw it to the side, you should be able to see. Plus, you'll also be able to, I got another one here. Once this hair gets straight, you'll be able to see, like, honestly, it's okay if there's a couple of straight pieces through here because it's just a little bend of the hair. Okay, so let's get this dry shampoo going again. So what I'm doing is throwing my head over and I'm pump, okay? Directly onto this hair. I'm not using the dry shampoo like you would on your roots, okay? Picking this hair up, spray, spray, and then raking your fingers through it. You don't wanna do a brush with this look because you don't wanna, it's with such a light bend of the hair, you don't want to mess that up. Now look how like cute that is, just a cute little beach wave. And to set the style, I'm gonna use the Flexible Cult Classic Flexible Hairspray. And I'm just grabbing these little pieces, right? And just kind of bending it how I want it to go. So it's all about like scrunching, trying to show you guys what I'm doing, and spray. I love to have some volume right here. So see how I'm doing that? Do a little spray like that. Cute. This is what I'm talking about, like you really want to work with your finishing on where you want that lift in that bend. And I like kind of the drier beachy look, but if you wanted to go back and have more of a polished look, you could take some smoothing oil and just kind of scrunch it into the hair. But I really like to have this kind of like style. It feels very like salty, beachy, like you were out on the beach all day. So I hope that this tutorial helped you. Maybe you guys can recreate beach waves and post your pictures down below. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time for another tutorial.
People, subscribe for more videos.